Hey guys, so guess what? Today is a winter storm day, and this is my first time being in snow ever. So let me show you.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place,
I'm about to do something in the snow. Wait for it. Hey guys, so as you can see right now, I am doing a snow angel. My snow angel wasn't very demure or mindful, so period.
Do you want to build a snowman? Or ride a bike around the hall?
Hey y'all, so my dog, he got the zoomies.